Hi guys, this is Richard. Just to either go along with our call or if you have a chance to look at this beforehand, I'm excited to do to Joan's bust for the Emmys, and appreciate the help you guys are going to give me on this. So this is just what I've sketched out so far in progress, and what I can really use from you guys now is, first just the feeling you'd like this bus to convey. What kind of experience you want people to have from that. The expression and the feeling on that, and also your thoughts on the current pose. What I was trying to convey is, her leaning in, intently listening, but maybe ready to, say something witty, and also with a genuinely happy look on her face that she's, kind of in that instant. Um, Other things, with her fashion, being such a huge part of her life, that, what kind of necklace and earrings, and we need something that looks fabulous, maybe has some special meaning to you guys or not, and it needs to translate well to bronze. So usually something that's really intricate, just will kind of get dirty over time and look kind of funky. So maybe something big and bold. And if there's anything that you really want the exactness, like something special, we could, scan it or mold it if you wanted something that was, kind of a bronze version of something that's actually real. And also, what kind of fashion you want her to have. It's a bust and it's truncated, so it's only, partial, shoulders and neckline. But what kind of fashion would you want to have on her? Something simple, something clean, or do you want to try to depict one of her favorite, you know, gowns or something on the shoulders? And then also, if you have it, I've been clipping pictures from videos and internet and stuff, but I really am still looking for a really good pure profile of her face, um, at ear level from a distance, so there's no camera, parallax, distortion, or anything, and that's dead on square to her face. So if you have anything like that, send it on. If not, I'll just keep looking for that moment in a video footage or something where I can grab something. And likewise, I need to I suppose I don't have it up here, hairstyle that you would like. And, you know, thinking of the hair blown back cut that had in the sketch. But if you have any photos from the sides and back, I'm having trouble finding, good pictures that look good from the, both sides and back too. If you've got anything, that'd be helpful. Um, so here's some other views of this pose. So this is the one that I shared in that picture. It's just in her leaning in, um, you know, and uh, kind of intense. It's not completely tweaked out, and I haven't finished all the truncation and all that. But I like this. I like this pose a lot. Um, the and then here's another this my wife especially liked too, and I'm not sure how well this could work. But her leaning on her hand, and no, if that, I'm not sure if that's too cluttered, but it does give a chance to, throw in some more jewelry and maybe add a little more dynamic element to it. But it might be a little tricky to do this without looking kind of contrived or something. But anyway, just those are two pose thoughts that I had. Get your thoughts on. Um, Regarding what's next, so I don't know how much you know about the bronze process, and my process, every artist process is a little unique, but what we need to do now is nail down the pose and design features, and then I'll complete this digital maquette sculpt. I've started sculpting almost every early maquette digitally now. In fact, and then if you like, we can do a Zoom call to real time tweak it. So, get in here and, want her hair, going back a little more or whatever, work on her likeness and stuff like that. So, we can do that real time. I've done it with clients before. It works out really well. And where to go? Okay. And once it's close enough, and when close enough means that this is going to be like this digital maquette, like the real sculpture is going to be like 99 to 95% of the exact same thing. It'll be just surface detail and nuances and stuff I do from here. But once it's close enough, need your approval and the Emmys approval, and I will do the full scale sculpting, and that'll be of this foam armature that's machined out, and I'll put clay on that and do the final nuance and tweaks. But then we move to the full scale sculpting. Excuse me, get me the full scale sculpt approval, and like basically 0 changes after this point, because it's going to be, taken to the foundry, and we'll start doing the lost wax processes for the foundry. And that's like molds and lost wax and this ceramic shell, molten metal welding, metal chasing and finishing, and patina. And this will be done in Hawthorne. So if you guys want to come by and see any of this, yeah, you can. That'd be kind of cool. So that's it. I have, and here's some reference images we can talk about. You sent some of these, some of the stuff I clipped from, your show, or, different things on the web. And I look forward to talking to you. So thanks, and take care.